Hi, I'm Sudeep Muthedat, Senior Principal Architect at Carta.
And I'm Mike Richter, Principal Cloud Solution Architect at Microsoft.
Hi Mike, I can't believe that we have reached at the end of our video series on migrating apps to Azure Spring Apps. We have only covered the tip of the Azure Spring Apps capabilities. If you have applications running on-prem that connects to Redis, RabbitMQ, Kafka, Postgres, or other services, you can easily migrate them to Azure Spring Apps with little to no code changes.
Yeah, I just got to say that it's been really terrific doing this video series with you, Sudeep. And we're partners and we've collaborated a lot in the past, but this is something a little different, but it was a lot of fun too. And we're recording this now in 2023, and I think the mantra these days is do more with less, right? And I think that's exactly what Azure Spring Apps gives you, right? Customers are using it to be much more cost effective, right? To simplify their operations. Now, I've been in the industry for 25 years as a software developer, as an IT architect, and I'm amazed at how fast customers have seen business value by moving to Azure Spring Apps. And their developers just seem to fall in love with Azure Spring Apps. So I'm really looking forward to working with you more and with Carta to help bring more of our customer Spring Apps to Azure.
Thank you, Mike. And I definitely agree with that sentiment. At this time, I want to take a moment to thank you all for joining our video series on Azure Spring Apps, and a special thanks to Microsoft, Mike Richter, and David Giard for the opportunity to partner together in this series. We hope that the information provided has been helpful and in understanding the benefits and capabilities of Azure Spring Apps and how it can help you migrate your applications to the cloud. If you have any further questions or would like more information about the migration of your applications to Azure Spring Apps, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. Our team of experts is always available to assist you with any questions or concerns you have. Thank you again for your time and interest in Azure Spring Apps, and we look forward to hearing from you again. Thank you.